Let's talk about de novo genetic mutations. My daughter was first diagnosed with autism just before her third birthday, level 3. It wasn't until just before her sixth birthday that I decided to do genetic testing, and we found out that she has P10 Cowden syndrome. P10 is a spectrum just like autism, and where she falls on that spectrum is called Cowden syndrome. It causes autism. I was always worried to do genetic testing because I was afraid that her ABA services at the time were the only services that she could get in our rural area would be cut off if she was diagnosed with anything but autism. I decided to move forward because I just wanted to know if anything was going on that we could help her with. Before we decided to do the genetic testing, I was thinking of all the ways we could work around it. Could my husband and I both get tested and see if anything came up? And then if it did, we would know who it came from and why Ella had it, if there was anything to be had. In my mind, I never thought about spontaneous mutations. I didn't know that could happen. I didn't know that you could have a spontaneous mutation that was not passed down from either parent. Ella tested positive for de novo mutation. My husband and I were both negative for this mutation. We did not pass it to her. If I would not have moved forward with the genetic testing, I would have had no idea that you could even have a genetic mutation that was unique just to you. Because we didn't pass it to her and we don't have this mutation, they can't tell us, because the research is not there yet, why this occurred. The only thing they know for sure is that it was triggered by something. Of course, there's a slew of things that could have triggered it, but they don't know what yet. Environmental factors are not ruled out. In fact, I think the research is leaning more towards it being an environmental trigger. They don't know if it happened when the sperm met the egg. They don't know if it happened after the sperm met the egg and in my womb. They don't know. There's a lot of people that say when a child has autism, okay, what does the mom have and what does the dad have? That explains it. That can explain why your child has autism. Not necessarily. Now, there could be other factors that did not come up in the genetic testing at all. A lot of people that get genetic testing don't get any results at all. Now, could it be MTHFR? Could it be ADHD? Could it be sensory processing disorder, all mixed into one with P10 that created the perfect storm? And that's why maybe Ella's condition is so severe? Maybe. Unfortunately, we don't have enough research on these things. But just so you know, you can get a genetic mutation spontaneously, and it doesn't always come from the parents.